Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Our fraction can be written as parentheses 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 1 parentheses divided by parentheses 3 minus 1. The numerator divided by denominator. And now, according to the order of operations, we know parentheses has higher priority than other operations. When we have more than one operation in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we do this parentheses first. 3 minus 1 gives us 2, so we have 3 minus 1 times 2 divided by 3 minus 1. Now inside this parentheses we have this subtraction and this multiplication. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. 1 times 2 gives us 2. So 3 minus just 2 divided by 3 minus 1. Now 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now we do this parentheses. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 1 divided by 2. And this is equal to 0.5. So our final answer to this problem is just 0.5.